Tuck that one in. Jump, baby. Ready? Want to be at this end? Drop it in.
Oh, you're being good now, Julene. You're getting better now. Seniors versus senior. Seniors versus younger Gen Z. Oh my. You get it.
Boom. Come around right here. You come around.
You and Grandma, okay. Mother, dalawa na. Lipat-lipat na kayo. Okay, lipat. Doon ka sa kabila, lipat ka rin na. Lipat ka rin sa kabila. Lipat ka sa kabila.
Oh.
What team are you, Grandma? Grandma's team, okay. Jade! What the heck? Okay, Jade. On the other side. Nini! Bakit di mo naman in-stand? Are you done now? You're not playing anymore? Are you team with Grandma? Maglaro ka na dun ah. Mag-team ka muna ah. Ate Dong is coming now. Whoa. Ate Dong team daw siya. Oh, your Grandma's team? Okay. Okay, ready. Ni. Harangan mo. Oni.
It's so cute, Mom.
You just put... Okay, Jelana, there you go. What team are you? Okay, go.
Jelana, be a good goalie!
She just started it.
Oh, you be over here. You're over here now. I don't trust you.
Hey, be nice.
I don't trust you.
Stop. She's been scoring with Daddy. Right, Jelana? Yeah.
That did not happen.
Oh, now she doesn't want to play now. You hurt her feelings. You okay? You hurt... Okay, Jelana, you're done now.